Hello and welcome. This is a drink called Homemade Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino, Peach and Honey. First thing you gotta do is you open up this container of the cappuccino mix and you pour a little into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the cappuccino, you put in the water, and you stir this up. Make sure it's good. And after that, you pour in this peach and honey carbonated water into this mug. And gotta wait till it settles. Otherwise, taste test it. Not bad. And here is your French vanilla cappuccino, and here is your carbonated French vanilla cappuccino, peach and honey. Thank you for watching, and